sisters and my friends, today I want to say that is standing in front of you to deliver a speech on the topic Teachers Day. First of all, I would like to wish all the teachers a happy Teachers Day. As you all know, Teachers Day in India celebrate on 5th September the birthday anniversary of second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was an excellent teacher who believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. We all have learned a lot from our teachers. They not only teach us but also guide us, motivate us, made us a successful person. Teachers play a